welcome back to our channel Life Captured. So today we are going to show you a product in which you can make healthy food. It is a new Philips air fryer in which you can make food with up to 90% less fat. So this is the new Philips air fryer and it's of the model HD9218. It uses the rapid air technology. So we know a lot of food items which need to be deep fried in oil and they taste really good. But the drawback is that they have a lot of fat and cholesterol in it, which is literally not good for our body. So air fryer is a really good substitute for that. It collects the surrounding air and then heats it up, and instead of the hot oil it uses that hot air to cook your food. So now let's unbox this and let's see how it works. So this is a Philips air fryer. So let us look at some quick specifications of this air fryer. So this air fryer uses rapid air technology. So the first thing is it is healthy because it uses almost no oil, it uses only 10% of the oil, so less fat and cholesterol. And it is tasty because the hot air gets evenly spread, because of which the food cooks fast. So in this you can make any type of dish. You can bake cakes, cupcakes, anything, and you can grill and you can even deep fry foods like french fries, etc. And this air fryer is really good for making non-vegetarian items. So this is a new Philips air fryer. It is black in color, and first let us look at the specifications it has. So this is the temperature settings. It has from 80 degrees to 120, 160 till 200 degrees. And this is the next setting, which is the timer. It starts from 0 minutes all the way to 30 minutes. So below it has this compartment. Let's open it up. So it has this dish inside, for which you have to press this button and it will come out. In this you can add up to 800 grams of food and it will fry without the use of oil. You have to just brush up some oil on it, which is 10% of the oil that we use every day for cooking food. So first on top, as you can see, this from these holes, the air from the surroundings goes inside, and here there's a coil. So through this coil the air comes into the below compartment, and this coil heats up, because of which the air becomes hot. So that hot air gets circulated in the below compartment, and this design facilitates the air to blow equally in all the directions to cook the food up equally. And the food made in this air fryer is much more evenly cooked compared to the oven or microwave. And let's see the back side of this air fryer. It has this exhaust through which the used up air comes out. So now we have seen all the specifications and everything about the air fryer. Now let's make some french fries in them and see how it tastes. So now our tasty french fries are ready, and let's taste and see. So now that we have tasted, they're really tasty, and these are the best substitutes for for oil items, because they are tasty and they are really healthy, because as you saw we didn't use any oil, not even a drop of oil.
Yes.
So there's less fat and less cholesterol, and it's really healthy for you.
And even kids love these french fries a lot. So this air fryer is the product that can be used for food that requires oil.
And this air fryer is worth it. Even though it's a little costly, you can invest on it because it has a lot of benefit that comes with it.
So if you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.